Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can add your fingerprint on your iPhone, since fingerprint on iPhone increases the security of it. And this fingerprint helps both whether the phone is locked or not. So let's simply start by opening your settings. And now that the settings are open, you can see even more tools to work with. So let's simply slide down and then click on fingerprint and passcode. And now as you can see it open, so simply insert in your passcode. And now that it's open, you can see our section of your security tools, so simply come and then click on iPhone Unlock. And now that it's open, you can see that we have a place where to place your finger just so your phone can read it. After doing it, you can see that you have been asked to gently keep placing your finger to your iPhone button. So click on Continue. So now let's start by placing your finger side by side. And then now let's simply place your finger once again. And now that it's done, you can see that your fingerprint has been set. So simply now let's click on Continue. And now your fingerprint has been set. So your fingerprint is gonna be asked in several requirements. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe.